Can you imagine a world where robots seamlessly blend into our daily lives, assisting us in ways we've only seen in science fiction movies? Picture this. The fields of robotics and artificial intelligence are not just growing, they're skyrocketing. It's predicted that by the year 2030, there will be over 150,000 automated robots in existence. Today, we're about to embark on a journey, a countdown of the most impressive AI-powered robots of 2024. From Nvidia's virtual training ground for robots to Tesla's humanoid marvel, we're in for a real treat. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we delve into these technological marvels. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Isaac Sim platform by Nvidia. This groundbreaking platform is more than just a tool. It's a gateway into the future of robotics and artificial intelligence. It operates by providing developers a unique arena to create, simulate, and train AI-based robots in a virtual environment. Imagine a playground where robots can learn, grow, and evolve, all without the constraints of the physical world. This is the magic of the Isaac Sim platform. It's not just about building robots, it's about shaping the future of how these AI marvels interact with our world. And with every simulation, these robots are getting smarter, more efficient, and more capable. The Isaac Sim platform is a stepping stone to a future filled with intelligent robots. Coming in at number 4, Elon Musk's Tesla unveils Optimus. Meet Optimus, the humanoid robot that's more than just a pretty face. This advanced piece of technology is designed to understand and interact with its environment, much like we do. Equipped with cutting-edge artificial intelligence, Optimus can perceive its surroundings, make decisions, and act accordingly, all in real time. This is not just about doing the dishes or running errands. It's about the potential of a machine that can adapt to a world built for humans. Imagine the possibilities. A robot capable of assisting in situations too dangerous or strenuous for humans, or simply being there when an extra pair of hands is needed. With Optimus, Tesla is pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible in humanoid robotics. By merging AI and physical capabilities, it's not just about creating robots, it's about crafting companions that understand and interact with the world just as we do. Optimus, a glimpse into a future where humanoid robots are a norm. At number 3, we introduce Google's Palm Secant technology integrated into everyday robots. These aren't your ordinary machines. They're a leap into the future. Imagine robots that can understand and interact with us, almost as naturally as another human being. This is the magic of everyday robots. Google has pushed the boundaries of innovation by incorporating natural language processing and machine learning into their design. This allows the robots to comprehend and respond to human speech, creating a more intuitive and seamless interaction. But it's not just about conversation. Machine learning enables these robots to learn and improve from their experiences, becoming more efficient and effective with each interaction. This is a game changer, propelling us into an era where robots are not just tools, but companions. Everyday robots, redefining our interaction with robotic technology. And finally, the most impressive AI-powered robot of 2024, Atlas by Boston Dynamics. The physical prowess of Atlas is nothing short of awe-inspiring. With the ability to navigate complex terrains and perform an array of physical tasks, Atlas is a testament to the compelling advancements in robotics. But let's not forget, every marvel comes with its set of challenges. As of now, Atlas faces certain limitations in executing specific commands effectively. Its prowess lies in its physical capabilities, rather than its cognitive abilities. It's like a world-class athlete with the mind of an infant, formidable, yet not fully functional. However, imagine the possibilities when the physical capabilities of Atlas are paired with advanced AI. Picture this: Atlas, not just performing tasks, but understanding them, learning from them, and even improving upon them. The prospect is exciting, to say the least. This integration of AI and physical capabilities in robotics is not just a pipe dream. It's a future we're steadily marching towards. And it's robots like Atlas that are leading the charge. The potential of this fusion is immense, and it's expected to reshape various industries. From healthcare and agriculture to construction and disaster response, the applications are limitless. Atlas, the embodiment of the immense potential held in the fusion of AI and robotics, poised to reshape various industries.